Hi students, today we are going to calculate the capital gain for depreciable asset. Okay. So depreciable asset is generally we can use WDV method or straight line method. So this is not a normal calculation like a normal assets how you are doing. This is something different which we are not going to use the like cost of acquisition. Instead, we will be using the WDV to calculate the capital gain. Okay. Today we are going to see one problem. We can see, then you can understand how we can calculate the capital gain. Okay. See, this is the problem. Mrs. X furnishes the following details of her assets as asset details for the financial year 23. That means 22-23 assessment year 23-24. Motor car sold on 1st December 2022 for rupees 90,000. The brokerage paid is rupees 2,000. This is nothing but the expenses related to the sales, which was purchased by her in Jan 2006 for rupees 1,40,000. So this 1,40,000 is nothing but cost of acquisition. And the WDV of the car as on 1/4/2022 is 80,000. So this is the important line which we need, the data we need for calculating the like capital gain of depreciable asset. Okay, now we are going to do the solution. The solution, we will see that. So heading is calculation of capital gain of Mrs. X for the assessment year 23-24. Okay, so I am ready with the table. So first here we are going to write particulars, then amount. I am having one inner column so that we can do any correction is there. We can write in the inner column only. So what is the first item? First item we have write sale consideration, received or receivable, whatever it is, we are going to write. Okay, there is a expenses. So I am writing this amount in the inner column only. What is the sale consideration? On December 22, she has sold the car for rupees 90,000. Next is I'm going to write the less expenses on sales. Okay, or we can write the brokerage also. How much is the brokerage? 2,000 rupees, which you are going to deduct. Okay, so now after that, whatever answer is coming, that is called as net sale consideration. Okay, sale consideration. Net sale consideration, how much? I'm writing in the outer column, 88,000. Okay, now what we are going to do? We are going to deduct. Generally, normal asset means you will be deducting less indexed cost of acquisition in the case of long term. If it is short term, then you will be deducting only in cost of acquisition. But WDV, when you are having depreciable asset, we are going to consider only the WDV of that particular asset. So WDV, written down value of the car as on 1/4/2022 is given in the problem. What is that? How much is the WDV? That is 80,000 is the WDV. So that I'm going to deduct. Okay. Then suppose if you have any additions during that particular year, anything is there, that also we can deduct, but there is no additions in this. So I'm going to deduct only WDV and remaining 8,000 is called as taxable capital gain from depreciable asset. Taxable capital gain from this depreciable asset. Hope you understood how to calculate the depreciable assets capital gain.